I'm Izaak Gilchrist. I'm an insect biology major at Purdue. I like bugs and yarn, and those are my two personality traits. I've been knitting for about 4 years now. I came up with this design while I was in class in insect behavior. We were talking about mimicry and different things that mimic wasps and bees. So I have some things that are just wasps on here, and then I've got like flies and beetles and a moth on the back. It's my yellow jacket. I really like the order Hymenoptera, which is bees, wasps, ants, and sawflies. They have a lot of really cool social behavior, which is very exciting to me, how things like live together and cooperate and communicate. People think that wasps are very mean, but they're just trying to live their lives. Usually if you don't bother them, they won't bother you. I love ento fashion. I love bug clothes. It is a true tragedy that there's not more bug clothing in the world. There's just not enough, so I decided to make my own. So I've got like the sweater, I've got mittens and scarves, anything to put more bugs on my body. I want people to look at me and go, she likes bugs.